Alright, Under the Wings 78 in progress, part 27. Later in the day, July 14th, Bastille Day still, 2023. There are now 5 completed allegorical sea monsters. This one here, this one here, that one, and that one. Okay, stay tuned. I've got more to do here. Here, there, this big one here. Lower left, in terms of where I'm facing now. That one here and this big one here, which I just began the eye of. Alright, to be continued. Burgess and I are listening to the late, great Harry Belafonte. Alright, there you have it, to be continued.